Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Becky and Galantis here with this song called Run. So a great song here from Becky. Let's start right away. We have the capo here on the 3rd fret. We have 6 chords, so the first one will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is A sus4, open A, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. Then comes A, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. D, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have B minor. You bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, 5 strings, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord is E minor. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so there we have the 6 chords. So before we go into the chord progressions here, let's look at the strumming pattern that will work mostly for the song. And we'll start the song here with the G, so let's grab that chord first. I want to play the 1 round of this strumming pattern, and then I'm gonna show you how it's done. So let's start. Alright, so that was 1 round. Seems a lot, but it's pretty basic, and it's kind of 2 parts repeats itself. So 1 part will be down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. You're gonna play that for 2 times. Alright, so down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And that will be the part 1. We will use that part 1 later on in a pre-chorus later, so that it's important to know. The part 1 is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Alright? And then you have to finish off the strumming with down, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, down twice. So down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That is the full strumming. Sounds like this, a little bit slower. Any standard tempo. Alright. So that is how you use the strumming pattern here. So it starts with the first verse here. 1 round of G. 1 round of B minor. 1 round of A sus4. And 1 round of A. You play that for 2 rounds, and that will be the first verse. So let's start with 2 rounds. So that was the first verse, and this one will continue here for the pre-chorus that comes right after. You play that for 2 rounds there as well, almost, except from the last chord, the last E on the 2nd round. You will just skip that. That is just a vocal part. So on the 2nd round, it's just G, B minor, and A sus4, then a vocal part, and that will be the pre-chorus. That takes us to the chorus in the lyrics. So we run and we run and we run. So that's what they do. All right. So what you need to play here is 1 down for the following chords: D, E minor, B minor, and G. Okay, you play it for 2 rounds. Alright, so the first 2 rounds is just 1 down. This course is a total of 4 rounds, so the last 2 rounds will be down, 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 down. So that will be kind of a new strumming pattern for the same chords. So for D, then E minor, B minor, and G. 1 round more. Is the first chorus. So just to repeat this one, the chord progression is the same: D, E minor, B minor, and G. So for the first 2 rounds, just 1 down per chord. And for the last 2 downs, it will play the strumming down, 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 down. 1 strumming round per chord for 2 rounds. And that is the first chorus. Then we have the post chorus here. Same chord progression here, the D, E minor, B minor, G, for 2 rounds. Now we're going back to this original strumming: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. So 2 rounds of that strumming with this chords for 2 rounds will be. And 1 more round: D, E minor, B minor, and G. Is the post chorus. All right, then we have the second verse played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the pre-chorus, played in the same as the first pre-chorus, and even the second chorus and the second post chorus. The only difference here with the post chorus is that it's twice as long. Okay, so everything will repeat itself after the post chorus, first post chorus. Everything will be the same except from the last or second post chorus, twice as long, and it ends with an outro with the chords D, E minor, B minor, and G. Just 1 down for a chord like this. And that will end Becky Hill and Galantis' song called Run. So yeah, thank you for watching this one. Hope it was helpful. That's my mission. And if it was, please let me know. Thumb up, leave a comment if you wish. And yeah, play tuned.